guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to make paneer and capsicum sabji, which is super quick and super easy, yet very tasty. The best part is you don't even have to chop onions for this. So let's get started. Heat oil in a pan. Once it's hot, add the cumin seeds and allow it to splutter. Next, add the ginger paste and green chilies and saute for a few seconds. Now add the capsicum and saute for a minute and allow this to cook for 5 to 7 minutes on a low flame until the capsicum is slightly soft. Now add the spice powders, turmeric, red chili and coriander powders and saute. If you notice the spices burning or the whole mixture being too dry, you can add a tablespoon or two of water. Now add the tomatoes and salt and mix well. Cover with a lid and again on a low flame, allow the tomatoes to cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until soft and mushy. When the tomatoes are done, add the paneer cubes and gently mix it all up. Cover with a lid and cook for another 5 minutes on a low flame. Lastly, sprinkle the kasuri methi and garam masala and give it a final stir. Our paneer capsicum sabji is ready. Switch off the flame and garnish with fresh chopped coriander leaves. This goes very well with rotis, parathas or as a side dish for any kind of rice. Hope you give this a try and do let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications of new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.